Chapter 3: Parts of a Computer. Learning Objectives. Identify input, process and output devices. Understand their functions. Identify storage devices. A computer has many parts that work together to help us perform different tasks. These parts can be divided into four main categories: input devices, process device, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices. The devices that help us to give instructions into a computer are called input devices. These devices allow us to communicate with the computer, enabling it to perform various tasks. Here are some common input devices. Keyboard. The keyboard is used for typing text, numbers and symbols into the computer. It has different keys for letters, numbers and functions. No more. Some keyboards have special keys for shortcuts to open programs quickly, like volume control and media playback. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device that helps us select and open the items on the screen. It moves the cursor and can click, drag and drop objects. A mouse usually has two buttons and a scroll wheel to move the cursor easier. Scanner. A scanner converts physical documents and photos into digital format. It allows you to input printed text and images into the computer. Processing device. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is the most crucial part of a computer. It processes everything we instruct the computer to do. The CPU's main job is to process data and instructions given by the user. It also controls all the other parts of the computer that are connected to it with cables. Did you know? The CPU is also called the microprocessor. Output devices. Output devices show us the results of what we have done on the computer. They allow us to see, hear, or receive the information processed by the computer. Some of the output devices are monitor. This looks like a television and is also called a VDU, visual display unit. The monitor shows what you do with your mouse and keyboard. You can also watch movies, cartoons, and read stories on it. The information you see on the monitor is called a soft copy. Did you know? Monitors can be of different types, such as LCD, LED, and CRT. Printer. A printer transfers your work from the computer onto paper. The paper with your work on it is called a printout. Some printers can print only in black and white, while others can use any color. The printed paper is called a hard copy. There are three main types of printers: inkjet printer, laser printer, 3D printer. Speakers. Speakers allow you to hear music, voice, and sound effects from the computer. Headphones. Headphones helps you to listen to audio such as music or speech privately without disturbing others. Did you know? Nowadays, wireless printers are also available that can connect to a network using Wi-Fi. Storage devices. Storage devices are important for computers. They store and save all data or information, either temporarily or permanently. Storage devices can be found inside or outside a computer. Fat pen drives are also called flash drives or USB drives. Chapter Essentials. Input devices like the keyboard and mouse help us give commands to the computer. The CPU is the central processing unit that processes data and instructions. Output devices such as monitors and printers show us the results of our commands. Storage devices like hard disks and pen drives store data and information. Hard disks can be internal or external.